Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh's YouTube channel and the Polity Revision MCQ series. These are prelim specific MCQ series and I have uploaded many other videos along with that. So if you have not watched the previous video of Polity MCQ series, go to the playlist of Polity MCQ series in the Vysh IAS playlist of the YouTube channel and you can get all the other videos. And many other free videos are going for the prelims and mains in the Vysh YouTube channel. There are actually part of the paid courses, but we are providing it for free to you people. But if you're not giving the proper feedback, then we will immediately convert them into paid courses. So considering this, what you need to do is you need to like, share, subscribe the channel, give your feedback in the comment section. And if you want to join the test series of Vysh IAS for prelims or mains or both, you can WhatsApp to this number, that is 7200681675, and get details of joining the test series. Considering this all, let's start the video. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true regarding the Prime Minister? Option A. Constitution contains specific procedure for the selection and appointment of the Prime Minister. Option B. Article 75 only says that the Prime Minister is appointed by Vice President. Option C. President of India appoints leader of majority party in Lok Sabha as Prime Minister. Option D. President have no personal discretion in the selection and appointment of Prime Minister if no party gets the majority. So coming to option A, Constitution doesn't contain any specific procedure for the selection of Prime Minister. It doesn't have any specific procedure which is mentioned in the Constitution. So Article 75 only speaks about the Prime Minister is appointed by the President, not Vice President. This is what mentioned in the Constitution. So appointed by President, not Vice President. So option A is wrong, option B is also wrong. Coming to option C, President of India appoints leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha as Prime Minister. This statement is true. Coming to option D, President have no personal discretion in the selection and appointment of Prime Minister if no party gets majority. In some cases, if no party gets majority, in this case the President have the personal discretion in order to select and appoint the Prime Minister. Okay, he have the personal discretion. So option D is also wrong. So they are asking which of the following statement is true. So option C for this particular option, question number 1 is correct. So for question number 1, C is correct. Coming to question number 2. Who among the following administers the oath of office to Prime Minister? So they're asking in India, who among the following administers the oath of office to the Prime Minister? Option A, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option B, President. Option C, Vice President. Option D, Chief Justice of India. Pause the video, think about it and come back to the video. So the answer for this question is President. President is the one who administers the oath of office to Prime Minister. So option B for question number 2 is correct. Question number 3. Which of the following is not the function of Prime Minister? Option A. He guides, directs, controls and coordinates the activities of all the ministers. Option B. He advises the President with regarding to summoning and promoting of the sessions of the Parliament. This is proroguing, summoning and proroguing of the sessions of the Parliament. Option C. He plays significant role in shaping the foreign policy of the country. And option D, he is not the political head of the services. And the question is saying which is not the function. So option D is not the function because he will act as a political head of the services. So option D is wrong actually. So they are asking the wrong statement. So option D is correct for question number 3. And you can remember these are all the functions of the Prime Minister. Question number 4. Who among the following called Prime Minister as interstellars lunar minors? So interstellars lunar minors means a moon among lesser stars. Who called Prime Minister as interstellars lunar minors? Option A, Sir William Werner Horkett. Option B, Jennings. Option C, H.J. Lasky. And option D, Munro. So option A is correct. He called Sir William Werner Horkett called Prime Minister as interstellars lunar minors. And Jennings called a sun around which planets revolve. He called the post of the Prime Minister as a sun, among which the planets revolve. And H.G. Lasky told, on the relation between the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, he said the Prime Minister is central to its formation, central to its life, and central to its death. He described him as the pivot around which the entire governmental machinery revolves. So this is what H.J. Lasky told. And Munro told Prime Minister as the captain of the ship of the state. And there are many other descriptions relating to the post of the Prime Minister. Lord Morley told Prime Minister as a primus inter pares, that is first among the equals, and he also called keystone of the cabinet arc. He called Prime Minister as head of the cabinet, is primus inter pares, and occupied a position which so long as it lasts is one of the exceptional and peculiar authority. And finally, Ramsay Moir described Prime Minister as the steersman of steering wheel of the ship of the state. Okay, you can remember these descriptions. So these kind of questions can be asked in the exam sometime. They may ask the match the following type of questions from these descriptions. Question number 5. Which of the following pairs are incorrectly matched? Option A, Article 74, Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President. Article 75, Other provisions as to ministers. Article 77, Conduct of Business of Government of India. And Article 78, Matters relating to or connected with the election of the Prime Minister. Okay, they are asking which is incorrectly matched. So option D is incorrectly matched. These are all correct. Article 74 speaks about the Council of Ministers which can aid and advise the President. Article 75 speaks about the other provisions as to ministers. Article 77 speaks about the conduct of business of Government of India. Whereas Article 78 speaks about duties of the Prime Minister with respect to the furnishing of information to the President. So it is speaking about the duties of Prime Minister as respects the furnishing of information to the President. So, it is not speaking about election of the Prime Minister. So, option D for question number 5 is correct. Question number 6. Which of these statements are the functions of Prime Minister? Option number 1 or statement number 1. He can recommend dissolution of the Lok Sabha to President at any time. Statement number 2. He announces government policies on the floor of the House. Statement number 3. He is the chief spokesman in the union government. Statement number 4. He presides over the meeting of the Council of Ministers and influences its decision. Here, all of the statements are correct. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4 statements are correct. So, we can say option D is correct for question number 6. Question number 7. Who among the following didn't act both as the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister? So, there are some Prime Ministers who also acted as the Chief Ministers of their respective states or some other states. So, coming to Morarji Desai, he acted as the Chief Minister of the Bombay State, erstwhile Bombay State, in the year 1952 to 56. So, we can say he is the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister. Coming to P.V. Narasimha Rao, actually he is the first Prime Minister from the South India who held the post from 1991 to 96. He acted as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh between 1971 to 1973. Coming to Narendra Modi, he acted as the Chief Minister of Gujarat when he became the Prime Minister in 2014. He served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for 4 times during 2001 to 2014. So, all of these 3 acted as both Prime Minister and Chief Minister except Indira Gandhi. So, option D is correct for question number 7. So, that is it for today's video. I hope so you enjoyed this lecture, and wait for the other lectures. I'll be coming with more interesting questions. So, until then, take care. Bye-bye.